Should've, would've, could've. Sa pinakasimpleng paraan na kaya nating i-discuss. Ang should've usually ginagamit kapag may missed responsibility. Halimbawa, I should have called you. Dapat tinawagan kita. So yung pagtawag, responsibilidad mo dapat yon pero hindi mo ginawa. Should have called. Ang would've naman, usually for missed certainty. Halimbawa, I would have called you if I had your number. Tatawagan naman sana kita kung meron akong number mo. Ibig sabihin, certain ka, sure ka, natatawag ka naman. Ang could have naman, usually ginagamit sa missed possibility. Halimbawa, I could have called you but I was too shy. Ibig sabihin, yung pagtawag, hindi mo naman yun ini-expect sa sarili mo. Hindi yun certain, hindi yun sure. Pero, kino-consider mo isa sa mga possibilities na gagawin mo sana kung hindi ka masyadong mahiyain. Possibility na na-miss mo, yung pagtawag.